Good morning, international students and expatriates. Today is Saturday, and I have come outside to do some shopping in an open market or a flea market. So, Milan, like any other city, has a lot of big and small open flea markets, some organized by the Comune di Milano, meaning the municipality of the city, and some by other cooperative and artisanal societies. You can get your hands on pretty much everything in these markets, from clothes and accessories, also sometimes clothes and accessories made in Italy, and of course food items from vegetables to fresh cheeses, other exotic food stuffs, and a lot of other things from antiques, furniture, even second-hand goods if you want to collect some antique items, and there is a lot of choice really. So it's a great place to discover the heart of a city, and they say that if you want to know a city in depth, then go out in the streets and check out its open markets. So that's what we are going to do today, and let's get started in this vibrant market located around the Corso Buenos Aires and Milano Centrale station area. So let's check it out.
You can find in these markets all types of clothes, both for children and adults, and both first hand and second hand as well. And of course, different types of fruits and vegetables, and also being promoted aggressively by the farmer himself, like you would find in any other flea market in the world. And not just ready-made garments, but here you can find even fabric and dress material to make your own dresses, especially the exotic ones. And you can find all types of flowers and plants in case you want to have a small plant of tomatoes, fresh basil, or lemon in your house.
So these flea markets are set up on a specific days of the week, and there is always some or the other option available in the weekends, that is on Saturday and Sunday. This market here is very big, and it stretches all the way from Milano Centrale station up to Corso Buenos Aires, like I said. And here you can find pretty much everything. You can see a preview of the market behind me, and some of these markets will specialize in some specialty goods like antiques, for example. Some will specialize in jewelry, etc., and some are specifically organized to promote the local stuff, or they are organized like farmers market as they're called. In this market, you have to especially be careful while buying food stuff, especially vegetables and fruits, because this is something that I learned from my colleague when I came for the first time in Milan, that while the offers or deals on the fruits and vegetables in these markets will look really attractive, like you will find that the prices are really low as compared to the local or standard supermarkets, but you have to make sure to understand where these vegetables have been grown or cultivated. So always choose made in Italy if you want to get something really good quality. You will find that some of these vegetables come from Spain. Sometimes they are not that good quality as compared to grown in Italy, not made in Italy, and some others also come from the northern part of Europe. But well, if you are already in the Mediterranean, why should you buy tomatoes grown in a greenhouse farm in northern Europe? So this is the idea. So always insist on local stuff, and the best will always be the one cultivated or grown in Italy. So look for that.
This stand here is selling some very typical Italian ingredients like olives and sun-dried tomatoes, and also tarallini, which is a dried salted snack. And of course, there are many stands selling different types of jewelry and accessories, of course of mediocre quality, but not bad for everyday life given the price.
So this was one fantastic visit to this open flea market that we just explored, and it was really nice discovering these big and small things being sold over here. And as I said, this is a great way to explore a new city when you're new in this city of Milan, and Milan is full of these big and small supermarkets. I'm going to put the links of different markets in the description of this video, so you can check out even others when you have time. And thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, do give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.